FEM digital ecosystem. FEM is a digital ecosystem built to connect everything it does. To keep things organized and secure, we've split the platform into two major sections using subdomains, a public section for visitors and an associate section for FEM members. Both look seamless from the outside, but underneath they run on a modern technical backbone designed for speed, accuracy, and automation. The technology behind it. At the core, the platform runs on a customized WordPress build using PHP 8, paired with vTiger CRM as the operational database. Content and custom modules sit inside MySQL, while JavaScript powers interactivity from filters to map updates. The public section uses Elementor and the Shape Visual Builder, making it easy to update designs. The associate section is built with custom templates for better performance and control. We're hosted on Rayola, a Spanish provider that gives us faster response times across Mallorca. And behind the scenes, cron jobs automate syncing and cleanups, keeping everything in real time without manual intervention. We used an intermediate MySQL database. To keep the website stable, even when the main server or the vTiger CRM database goes offline, we use an intermediate MySQL database. This acts as a fallback layer, ensuring the public website continues running smoothly and delivers data instantly without interruptions. Cron job syncing. To keep both databases aligned, a scheduled cron job automatically syncs data between the intermediate MySQL database and the vTiger CRM database. Astra theme usage. The entire website uses the Astra theme in WordPress, along with custom JavaScript and a fully custom design built using Elementor for both the public and associate sites. Why this platform exists. Let's take a look at why this platform exists. Earlier, information lived in different tools managed by different teams. Updating one area didn't automatically update the others. So we rebuilt the entire system around one idea, one flow of data from one source. Everything now syncs through a unified data model connecting WordPress and vTiger CRM. Forms, hotels, documents, events, it all moves through secure REST APIs written in PHP and JavaScript, ensuring every part of the ecosystem stays perfectly aligned. Public website. The homepage sits on the public subdomain, and it acts as the digital face of FEM, the first point of contact for anyone exploring the organization online. Everything follows responsive design principles, meaning the layout automatically adjusts based on the user's device, whether they're on a laptop, a tablet, or a mobile phone. Grids reorganize themselves, images resize intelligently, and text scales smoothly, so the experience stays consistent and readable everywhere. Animations are powered by GPU-accelerated CSS, which allows the interface to feel smooth without putting extra load on the processor. Images are set to lazy load, meaning they only appear when the user scrolls to them, keeping the initial load extremely light and improving performance on slower networks. Overall, the homepage isn't just visually polished. It's engineered to be fast, accessible, and responsive, no matter how or where users view it. About page. The About section brings all core information about FEM into one unified space. Instead of scattering content across multiple pages, this section follows a structured design built using custom WordPress blocks and Elementor, making it easy to maintain while keeping the layout consistent and accessible across all devices. From a technical perspective, this part of the site showcases well-organized content hierarchies. This isn't just for readability. It also improves indexing, accessibility, and SEO. Each subsection, whether it's FEM's history, governance, or mission, is built to load independently, keeping the experience smooth no matter how deep users explore. One of the most important elements here is the Become a Member form. And behind the scenes, it's far more advanced than it looks. The form uses JavaScript for instant client-side validation, catching incorrect formats or missing fields the moment the user types. Once submitted, the data is passed to the server, where PHP performs a second round of validation to ensure everything is clean, safe, and secure. After the input passes all checks, the platform automatically creates a new lead inside vTiger CRM. No spreadsheets, no manual transfers. The entire process flows directly from the website into the CRM system, keeping internal records up to date and ensuring new member applications are ready for follow-up instantly. News page. The news page is where all updates, announcements, and events come together. But behind the scenes, it's powered by a well-structured content system. Every news item is assigned a category, and these categories are more than just labels. Technically, they're stored as WordPress taxonomies, which means each article is indexed in a way that makes searching, filtering, and organizing incredibly efficient. This structure also helps my SQL database return results faster because the data is grouped and referenced cleanly, instead of being lumped together in a single post list. All of this data is stored in the MySQL database, where it can be queried dynamically based on what the user interacts with. Visitors can search, filter, and sort articles in real time thanks to Ajax-powered requests. This means the page doesn't reload. Instead, JavaScript sends small background requests to the server and instantly updates the content on screen. To keep things fast and user-friendly, the page uses pagination. Instead of loading hundreds of news items at once, it loads a small set, for example, only the first 10 articles. When the user goes to the next page, the system loads only the next 10 records, reducing the load on both the database and the user's device. This approach keeps the interface clean, reduces clutter, and provides a smooth browsing experience even when the news archive gets large. Below the news section, visitors can subscribe to FEHM's newsletter. Once validated, each subscription is sent directly into vTiger CRM, where the contact is added to the mailing list, ready for follow-ups, campaigns, and analytics. Efficient categorization, optimized queries, Ajax interactions, and CRM integration, together, they turn the news page into a fast, intelligent, and scalable communication hub. Associated Hotels page. The Associated Hotels page is one of the most dynamic parts of the platform and also one of the most technically integrated. Every establishment displayed here is synced directly from vTiger CRM. That means hotel names, categories, locations, associations, contact details, all of it comes from a single authoritative data source. This syncing happens automatically, so whenever information changes in the CRM, the website updates without anyone needing to manually edit the content. The interactive hotel map is powered by a lightweight Google Maps SVG layer. Unlike traditional map libraries that load heavy scripts, the SVG approach keeps everything quick and visually sharp. It also allows for full styling control, meaning icons, markers, and map elements scaled cleanly on every device, from phones to large screens. The filtering system helps the user to get the desired result. When a user selects an association, category, typology, or location, the website sends a small background request to the server and updates both the map and the list instantly. No reloads, no delays, just seamless, real-time interaction. Users can dive deeper into any establishment by opening its detailed profile. These details, from amenities and categories to contact info, are all pulled from synced CRM records to ensure accuracy. For added convenience, visitors can download a PDF containing the hotel's information or open the establishment's official website directly from the page. Clean data syncing, fast rendering, and real-time filtering come together here to create a smooth, reliable, and highly interactive experience. Contact page. The contact page is designed to make communication simple for visitors, but behind the scenes, it follows a secure and automated process. When someone submits a message, the form runs through multiple layers of validation.
First, at the front end, JavaScript checks the inputs immediately, making sure fields aren't empty, formats are correct, and everything meets the required rules. Once the form is submitted, PHP performs a second round of validation on the server, ensuring the data is safe, clean, and free from malicious inputs. After the information passes these checks, it's sanitized and securely sent into the vTiger CRM through our API layer. This integration guarantees that every inquiry, whether it's from a potential partner, a journalist, or a general visitor, goes directly to the correct team without manual forwarding.
Journalist Zone and Associate Zone. The platform also includes two important sections designed for different types of users, the Journalist Zone and the Associate Zone, each with its own purpose. The Journalist Zone is fully public and gives media professionals direct access to all official press releases. Behind the scenes, these press releases are stored as custom post types inside WordPress, each tagged and categorized using structured taxonomies. This makes the entire collection searchable and filter-friendly, allowing journalists to quickly locate specific releases by date, topic, or keyword, all powered by optimized MySQL. Files, attachments, and images load only when needed, keeping the interface fast even when browsing larger archives. The Associate Zone, on the other hand, acts as a controlled gateway. It sits inside the public section, but it's designed specifically to guide registered members into the private associates area. Together, the Journalist Zone and the Associate Zone create a clear, structured flow across the platform, public information when it should be public, and a smooth transition to private content when a member needs it. Why public section and associate section? Why do we separate the public section from the associate section? Because both areas serve completely different purposes. The public website is designed for visibility, open access, fast loading, and easy navigation for anyone visiting FEHM. But the associate section contains internal information, documents, circulars, legal consultations, member data, resources meant only for registered members. By keeping these two sections separate, the system creates a clear and secure boundary. Public content remains accessible to everyone, while sensitive information stays protected behind strict access controls. This separation ensures privacy, improves security, and keeps the entire platform organized and efficient. Associate Area, Login Page. When a member attempts to enter the Private Associates section, the platform runs a secure login and authentication process. After verifying their email and password, the system creates a session for that user. Inside this session, it stores a secure token, similar to a JWT, which identifies the member and defines their permissions. Every time the member opens a protected page or requests data, the system checks this token. If the session is valid, they're allowed in instantly. If it's expired or incorrect, the platform blocks access and keeps them in the public section until they log in again. This process ensures that only verified members can access confidential modules while keeping navigation smooth and seamless for those who are authenticated. Associate Section. Inside the Associate section, members arrive at a personalized dashboard, a central hub that brings all of FEHM's internal resources together in one place. This entire area is built using lightweight custom WordPress templates, designed specifically for speed and clarity. Every element on the dashboard connects directly to vTiger CRM, ensuring that members always see the most accurate and up-to-date information. The dashboard is organized into modules. Each one handles a different type of internal communication or documentation, but they all follow the same technical foundation. On the surface, the interface is simple and intuitive, but underneath, it's powered by a highly optimized data flow. Search queries run through indexed MySQL tables, allowing results to load quickly even when the dataset grows large. Filters and sorting are handled instantly through JavaScript and Ajax, updating the view without refreshing the page. Every piece of information displayed here is pulled securely from the CRM integration layer, and each interaction, from opening a document to submitting a case, is logged to maintain a clear record of activity. Fast,
Organized and fully synchronized, the dashboard is the engine room of the associate's experience. In the government bodies area, members can access documents shared by the board of directors. Each file is organized using tags and categories, making it easy to narrow down results instantly. All of these classifications come directly from CRM metadata, ensuring consistent structure across the entire platform. The Circulars module follows the same approach. Members can browse circulars, filter them by category, view them through an integrated preview, or download secure PDFs. The experience is simple on the surface, but underneath, the system performs fast, optimized lookups and serves files through controlled, role-based access. The Legal Consultations module provides a direct communication channel with FEHM's legal team. Members can submit cases, attach documents, and track responses in real time. Each submission becomes a CRM ticket, and any updates made by the legal team sync back to the portal automatically, creating a fully traceable end-to-end workflow. The members directory brings all associated hotels into an interactive map-based view. Filters update instantly through Ajax, and the map uses lightweight SVG layers for smooth, high-performance navigation. Every detail, from category and topology to location and contact info, is pulled directly from synced CRM records, guaranteeing accuracy at all times. Together, these modules transform the Associate section into a complete digital workspace, organized, synchronized, and powered by automation. Closing. This platform is more than just a website. It's a connected, intelligent framework built to modernize how Mallorca's hospitality sector operates. Every module, every sync, every interaction works together to create a platform that's fast, automated, and secure. With its clear separation between the public section and the associate section, the system delivers a unified experience while keeping sensitive information protected and organized. A digital platform designed to evolve, scale, and support the industry for years to come. Technologies used. The entire platform is built on a carefully selected set of technologies, each chosen for reliability, performance, and long-term scalability. On the front end, the platform uses HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to deliver a responsive, accessible, and interactive user experience. Elementor and a customized WordPress setup power most of the public-facing pages, giving the team flexibility to design and update content quickly. For maps and visual data, we use Google Map SVG layers, which offers sharp graphics and smooth performance without loading heavy scripts. Behind the scenes, the backend runs on PHP, with vTiger CRM handling automation, member records, events, and internal workflows. All data is stored in a reliable MySQL database, ensuring fast queries and stable performance. The entire platform is hosted on Riola Hosting, a Spain-based provider optimized for PHP and WordPress, giving us excellent regional speed and uptime. And for internal coordination and development planning, the team uses Asana, keeping tasks, updates, and deployments organized and on track. Together, these technologies create a fast, maintainable, and future-ready environment that supports every part of the platform.